friends, welcome to RJ Alknanda Talks. So, hope everybody is doing super good. And today, I'm bringing before you a techie guy who came up with his innovative ideas in creating posts, combining technology and celebrity memes. When we talk about technology, we all feel that we know a lot about it, but in reality, we know very little, and many of us still don't know at least about the privacy options we have in our social media. And being in medical stream, I remember always taking my brother's help for every little thing, and even though many of us lag behind when we get any doubt regarding latest technologies. So in this digital world, it's becoming mandatory in our day-to-day life to get updated about the latest technologies, right? Usually, I spend very little time on Instagram, and fortunately, one day I found this amazing page, Gadget Bites. Well, you can check it out after listening the podcast, as I'm giving you the link in the description. And I was really surprised to see the post cause I felt like this page have suggested me the solutions for almost all the problems we face with our mobiles and laptops. And when something good is around me, as you all know, I'll surely share it with you all. And so today, we are going to talk to the creator of this Insta page, Gadget Bites, Mr. Vikas. Hi, Vikas. First of all, I congratulate you for the wonderful page and post. And let me ask you first, what made you to start this page, Gadget Bites? Like most of the people on Insta just spend their time peeping into celebs profiles, watching reels and enjoying the memes. But this page is really something worthy and we gain something out of this. So how did this really start?
I am Vikas. I am the admin of a tech meme page called Gadget Bytes. How I started is a very lengthy story, but I will make it very short. Since childhood, I am interested in smartphones and I used to watch lots of YouTube videos related to smartphones and understand which is good under every budget. That also made me to suggest smartphones to my friends and my family and relatives. Like if someone is going to buy a new smartphone, I would suggest them a good phone under their budget. After finishing my graduation in COVID time, I have lots of free time, so I joined a digital marketing course to upskill. After doing that course, I thought of earning something from what I learned. I decided to combine my interest and the skills what I learned in digital marketing. So then it started. So I started sharing my knowledge on tech to people by a platform called Gadget Bytes.
Oh, wow, that's really interesting. So, you have been helping many in your family and friends, and so you took it to the next level and started helping out many like me. So, where are you from?
I am from Hyderabad and I completed my graduation in computer science and engineering.
Vikas, are you all a team or all alone do you manage all the posts? Because the first time I have messaged you, I was really shocked to see your reply within, I guess, around 15 minutes.
In the beginning, my friend used to work with me for editing and managing the DMs. After a few months, she left the page, and from then, I was the one managing the page alone.
Oh, okay. So editing and all is also done by you.
Yes, editing is done by me. Firstly, I will think about on which topic do I need to post, and later I will try to export the content in YouTube and Google. Then I will do some filtration so that I can get some best ideas from the things what I explored. Unlike others, I don't have any particular extra person for that job, so I need to do the editing stuff by myself. So I am the only one who edited the number of posts from the beginning.
So when you get a random thought or idea, what do? You write it down in a book or right then you start creating a post or share it with friends.
Basically, when I get any random ideas or thoughts, the first thing which I do is noting down in my phone. Later, I will try it on my phone, and I'll also do the same thing with my friends. so that I can get a better idea about it, and we will have small discussion regarding that. So we get more clarity about the idea what we are discussing. We always try to keep the ideas to very close to reality, because that really reach very well. So that's what we are doing every time we post a new idea or tricks in the page.
And let me ask you something. There are pages in which they post about films and few which post only technology related stuff. But how did you really get this idea of trying to convey technical aspects through celebrity memes? Well, I can say it's a perfect infotainment page.
Before starting this page, I have a meme page called Mad Memes Pro, where I post memes related to humor. Due to COVID, we got lots of time in our calendar, and that helped me to make a other page also. In beginning, I don't used to make the post by using movie templates. I just posted with some regular templates. I continued that process for 6 months, but there is very less growth in my followers. Then I realized that this is not going to work, and I need to do something more than this to get the followers. I used my tech page posts and made memes on that by using some movie templates and uploaded them in my meme page, and I made them as a shout out so that I can get followers. After doing this a couple of times, I observed lots of growth in my followers. Then I decided to combine tech and movie templates combination. I started doing same thing directly in my tech page, because when we convey something by some movie templates, that will reach more people and it's very easy to understand. That is the reason behind this.
Do your followers DM you for any doubt?
Yes, my followers personally text me in my page. I generally clear all the doubts which are related to tech, and sometimes they are not related to tech also. On an average, I will get around 50 DMs, and sometimes the count may increase to 100 and 200 also. I will try to respond to each and every message what they are sending to me, because that shows respect towards them. At the same time, I will also have some good respect from them. That is the only reason which I keep engaging with my followers, whether it might be doubts or suggestions or some type of compliments, anything. So I need to be there to respond to them.
And for suppose if you're not aware of what the solution is for the doubt they have asked, what do you do? Like, do you consult someone else?
If I am not aware of the doubts they asked, I'll try to search related to that doubt and give them a better clarity. Sometimes I'll also take help from my friends and other pages too.
Oh wow, that's truly amazing. Your main aim is like to help out people. So what next? What's the next level of gadget bites? And any plans of starting a YouTube channel or any other platform?
First thing I have in my mind is to make this page reach to 100k. Since beginning, I'm trying to make posts in only Telugu. I want to try them in English also so that it will reach more people. Actually, this page also have a YouTube channel, but I'm not uploading the videos regularly. So I want to make the videos regularly so that I can get good amount of subscribers in that also.
Oh wow, that's really awesome. Actually, few people understand things immediately, and the others need a detailed explanation. So, for such people, especially, I think your YouTube channel would be really helpful. Well, I should really appreciate you for what you have achieved at a very young age. And Vika has any suggestions or a piece of advice for your age group people? Well, not necessarily your age group, for everybody who's watching.
The suggestion I would like to give to my followers is do something more than your 9 to 6 job. I agree, most people don't have time to do anything apart from that full time job. But when you do something more than that, by leaving your restricted mind, you will be more productive, because that makes you how to manage your time and be productive. Do something more than your full-time job and build some side hustle, because most people are not satisfied with their salary. So we need to fill that gap by doing something.
Wow, very well said, Vikas. That's unworthy advice which each one of us should try considering. Well, you have already succeeded by helping many, and congrats in advance, as I know you would surely reach 100K very soon. And on that eve, let's plan something interactive with your followers too. Once again, thank you so much, Vikas, and wishing you success in your YouTube journey too. That's about today's podcast. I'm sharing all the links in the description, so please do follow for more updates. This is your RJ Alknanda signing off. Bye bye. Sayonara.